What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape Google Maps reviews by creating a simple workflow in N8N. Let's get started. To scrape Google Maps reviews, I'm going to use this tool called Appify. Appify is an incredible tool that you can use to scrape any website and automate projects. So to get 30% off your first purchase of this tool, just click the link down below in the description. Then proceed to create your account in Appify. And after creating your account in Appify, head over to Appify store. Yeah, we're going to search for the website that we would like to scrape. In our case, we'd like to scrape Google Maps. And then here, we'd like to scrape Google Maps reviews, and click on search. And here you'll find the various tools that you can use to scrape reviews from Google Maps. I'm going to use the first tool right here to scrape Google Maps reviews. So I'll open it in a new tab. And this is the tool that we're going to use to scrape Google Maps reviews. So here, you'll need to enter a Google Maps place URL. For example, if you wanted to scrape reviews of these restaurants, and we wanted to scrape these reviews right here, all you have to do here is copy Google Maps URL of this place. Here, I'll clear this URL, then paste the URL that we just copied. Then here, we're going to add the number of reviews that we'd like to scrape. In our case, we can say we'd like to scrape on 15 reviews. You can sort the reviews either by newest, most relevant, highest ranking, or lowest ranking. I'm going to choose newest. Then here, the language, we're going to choose English. For the review origin, we're going to choose all reviews, where you have the option to choose Google reviews. Now to scrape the reviews using this tool, I'll click on Save and Start. Here, you can see that our tool is running and getting our data. Here, you can see it successfully scraped 15 reviews for us from our restaurant. So here we're getting the place title, place Google Maps link, the stars of the reviews, the reviewer, review link. We're getting the review text right here. Now, to get these reviews that we just scraped to our workflow, here, I'll click on API. Then I'll scroll down below, it says get dataset items and copy it. Then here, I'll add a trigger. The trigger is going to be a manual trigger. And then here, I'm going to add a HTTP request node. Click on it. And then here, we're going to paste the URL that we just copied. Then I'll click on execute step to get the 15 reviews that we just scraped using our tool. Okay, so we can see we're getting all this data right here. So you can click on schema to review the data that you're getting. So we're getting the review URL. We're getting the name of the reviewer, number of reviews, the review that they left, when it was published, date, likes count, review URL, stars they gave, and all these other details right here. We're also getting their review context, that their meal type, like their meal type, price per person, reservation, the food service, location of this restaurant, and its details. So we're getting all this data over here. Now, instead of having to manually scrape the reviews using this tool right here in Appify, and then copying the dataset ID and coming and adding it right here, so we can get these reviews, we can create a workflow that automatically scrapes the reviews for us right here in N8N. So to do that, here, I'm going to clear this URL, and then I'm going to open Appify's documentation. And here, I'm going to find the API that I would like to call. In our case, I'm going to click on run act asynchronously with input and get dataset items. Then here, I'm going to copy this URL. In our node, I'm going to click on import URL and paste this URL right here, and then click on import. Now here, we're going to add three things. The first thing that we're going to add is the actor ID. The next thing that we're going to add is the API token. And the last thing that we're going to add is the JSON right here. Let's start by finding the actor ID so we can add it right here. To get the actor ID, I'll go back to our tool. And then in the search URL, I'll copy the unique ID of this doctor. Remember, the actor ID is in the search URL. Here, I'll paste the actor ID. And then the next thing that we're going to add is the API token right here. So I'll click on expression right here so we can add the API token over here. To find the API token, I'm going to click on settings, then click on API and integrations. And here, I'll click on create a new token, give it a description, you can call it test, and then click on create over here to create our token. Now, after our token was created, I'm going to copy it and go back to our node and paste our token right here. Remember not to include a space in the end. Then I'll click on back to canvas. And the last thing that we're going to do here is we're going to add our JSON. So on the specify body, I'm going to click on using JSON. Then here we're going to add our JSON. To find our JSON, I'll open our tool. The way it says manual in JSON, click on JSON. And then here, I'll copy this JSON right here. And then here I'll paste our JSON that we just copied over here. So we'd like to scrape 15 reviews from this URL right here. So now to do that, automatically, I'll execute our workflow. You can see that our workflow was executed successfully. So now I open this node, you can see now we have scraped 15 reviews from this URL automatically by using our simple workflow that we created right here in Anytime. So here, I'll rename this node to Google Maps Review Scraper, then click on rename. Now, after scraping our Google Maps reviews using this node, we can proceed to add the reviews to a spreadsheet. So in Google Sheet, I've created a spreadsheet that I've renamed to Google Maps Reviews. And then in this sheet, here's where we're going to add our reviews. Here we're going to add the place title, the reviewer, review text, the stars, review link, and the place Google Maps link. To add our reviews to this spreadsheet, here, I'll search for Google Sheet, click on Google Sheets, and here I'll click on Append in Sheet. Here, we're going to choose our document, which is Google Maps Reviews document. And here we're going to choose our sheet. Then we're going to add values to our columns in our spreadsheet with the data that we scraped in using Appify. So for the place title, we're going to find the place title down below right here. So I'll drag it over here. Now for the review, I'm going to add the reviewer details right here. So it's for the reviewer, I'm going to drag their name right here. Review text will be this text right here. Stars, can drag the stars right, the value for the stars over here. To add the review link, we can drag. I'm going to drag the review the URL over here. The place Google Maps link will be this one right here. Will be this search string right here. Now to add these reviews to a spreadsheet, I'll click on execute step. You can see it's executing our node. You can see our node was executed successfully, and we added our 15 reviews to a spreadsheet. Now when I open our spreadsheet, you can see we added our reviews right here. So we added the place title, the reviewer, the review text right here, the stars, review link, and the Google Maps link right here. When you scrape these reviews and added the reviews to this spreadsheet using our workflow that we created right here in Anytime. So here, I rename this to Google Maps Reviews and click on rename right here. So this is a simple workflow that scraped these reviews from Google Maps and added them to the spreadsheet over here. Now we can try testing our workflow one more time. So here, I'll open this node to scrape reviews from a different location, from a different business. So in Google Maps, I'm going to copy the search URL of this law firm. Copy it, then I'll go back to our workflow, where I'll paste the URL right here. And then I'll click on back to canvas. And then here, I'm going to execute our workflow to scrape 15 reviews from this law firm from Google Maps and add the reviews to our spreadsheet. So to do that, I'll click on execute workflow. You can see that our workflow was executed successfully. So when I open this node right here, you can see the 15 reviews that we scraped from Google Maps from this URL right here. Then we went ahead and added these reviews to a spreadsheet right here. So now when I open my spreadsheet, you can see we added the reviews for the law firm right here. So here I'll insert a row above to separate the two runs. Here, so now here we added the name of the law firm, the reviewers, the review text that they left over here, the stars that they left, review link, and the Google Maps link, and the place Google Maps link right here. So we scraped these reviews and added the reviews to the spreadsheet using the simple workflow that we created right here in Anytime. Now, if you have a workflow or an AI agent that you'd like for me to create using Anytime, just comment down below in the comment section. I read all the comments, and if I land on your comment and I find it intriguing, I'll come back on a future video showing you how to create the entire workflow or AI agent from scratch using Anytime. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.